So, With Intent has 10 chapters covering the basics and stages of dementia, sensory changes and its impacts, the PANDA method, which is the bread and butter of the book, environmental considerations, communication etiquette, establishing a routine and why it's important, accepting changes along the dementia care journey, end of life considerations, and self-care. So it really is packed full of great, straight to the point information that I do encourage you to read completely at least one time. But then, because of how it's formatted, makes it super easy to quickly flip through what you want a refresher on. Oh, what were the redirection phrases she recommended again? Flip. What are the signs of dying again? Flip. What are all the things I should be considering in the environment again? Flip. So With Intent makes it really easy to get the information you need without stressing yourself about reading a long book that honestly sometimes has a lot of fluff. It's like, okay, get to the point. What am I supposed to do? What are the tips, right?